Hi Illmi TV viewers, this is Martina Angeles from New York. This is my first video for Illmi TV. By profession I am a clinical psychologist. Personally I like Pakistani people and culture. I visited Pakistan in 2010 first time and enjoyed a lot. Here I am giving 10 tips for mental health for my Pakistani friends. 1. Build confidence. Identify your abilities and weaknesses together, accept them, build on them and do the best with what you have. 2. Eat right. Keep fit. A balanced diet, exercise and rest can help you to reduce stress and enjoy life. 3. Make time for family and friends. These relationships need to be nurtured. If taken for granted, they will not be there to share life's joys and sorrows. 4. Give and accept support. Friends and family relationships thrive when they are put to the test. 5. Create a meaningful budget. Financial problems cause stress. Overspending on our wants instead of our needs is often the culprit. 6. Volunteer. Being involved in community gives a sense of purpose and satisfaction that paid work cannot. 7. Manage stress. We all have stressors in our lives, but learning how to deal with them when they threaten to overwhelm us will maintain our mental health. 8. Find strength in numbers. Sharing a problem with others who have had similar experiences may help you find a solution and will make you feel less isolated. 9. Identify and deal with moods. We all need to find safe and constructive ways to express our feelings of anger, sadness, joy and fear. 10. Learn to be at peace with yourself. Get to know who you are, what makes you really happy, and learn to balance what you can and cannot change about yourself. So these are 10 tips for mental health. Please like this video if you like it. Give your comment and tell us, what do you do for your mental health? Share with your friends and subscribe Illmi TV to stay in touch with me. Thank you so very much. Take care of yourself and goodbye.